balance. As you can see, I just received free 75 USDT. So in this video, I will show you how to get free USDT every time. Just open your browser and go to gemtosa.com like this. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Just scroll down the page a bit until you find the free USDT event, then click on it. It's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, this is an event that has been giving users free 75 USDT tokens every time. Just go to your crypto account and select USDT. Then click on USDT TRC20. It will bring you to a page like this. Just copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Then paste it in this box. Then click on the button below. Just like that, the event will look for your USDT TRC20 address and bind the free 75 USDT tokens to your wallet. Once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button to receive it instantly.